This is how you're going to create a new app in Base44. First, you're going to make sure that you're logged in or you have signed up to an account in Base44. And then once you have logged in, you will be taken to this page wherein you will have to describe the app that you want to create. This is called the builder chat. So for example, we want to ask it to build a CRM for real estate. So just going to try this out, and then we're going to click on this button right here, or we can just hit on enter in our keyboard, and then the AI will then generate the database, the logic, and the interface. So all you have to do is to chat with this base 44 AI like how you would chat with chat GPT or Gemini. So this is how you are going to use that. Now once your app has been created, all you have to do is to click on preview right here to preview how your app would look like, and then once you're done, you can just click on publish right here, and that is how you're going to create a new app in Base 44. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.